Morning, students. This is my new chapter, that is operating wave. In this video, you will know the topics related with the wave-based applications. Okay, students, an application that can be accessed via a web browser over a network connection is called as web-based application. A web-based application provides the company, yes, a convenience, okay, of availability 24 into 7 across the world, my dear. Nowadays, web-based applications are used, yes, for reservation of tickets and booking, e-governance, online shopping, with the provision of making payments online using the credit card, debit card, net banking. Okay, the web-based online application can be broadly categorized into application that requires financial online transaction and application that provides information and allow interaction via filling form, posting query, viewing information, sending emails, or chatting. The online reservation system, online shopping, and bill payment falls in the first category, and e-governance and online tutorial and test falls in the second, yes, category. Okay, now, first of all, I will discuss what is online reservation system. Students, an online reservation system allows booking, cancellation of tickets through use of internet. A user can retrieve information and perform transactions related to reservation of ticket. Yes, some of the examples of online reservations are your airline ticket, railway ticket, bus ticket, movie ticket, whatever, hotel booking. Okay, now I will be discussing the advantages of, yes, online reservation. Okay, students, yes, online reservation systems are both for the company providing reservation services and for the consumers who use, yes, the online reservations for, yes, booking. Now, the first one I'm going to talk, that is your advantages for consumer. First one is convenient. You see, the user or consumer can book tickets anytime, anywhere. Yes, it can be from home, office, or while traveling. Okay, now the user saves time and energy making changes or booking, like cancellation, upgradation, is also easy, my dear. Okay, the next one is your price comparison. See, students, in this competitive world, a service may be provided by several providers. Okay, it may be PVR, yes, a big cinema, whatever. Online booking allows the customer to check the prices, compare them, and get the best deal. The best example I can say www.makemytrip.com, that provides comparative pricing of air tickets, yes, of providers from a particular source to a destination, my dear. Next one is the security. Most online reservation sites requires the user to create their profile and provide them with a username and password. Yes, this information remains secure until, yes, their password is secure. Next one is confirmation of reservation. Students, when a booking is done, when a booking is done, the confirmation of the booking just takes a few seconds. It is fast and secure. This can be done by using the iPad, smartphone, laptop, or desktop. Next one is your making choices. Students, in booking, online booking especially, the user can see the arrangement of seats. Yes, select a particular seat. Okay, etc, my dear. In railway booking, selection of lower berth, upper berth, yes, type of food required, and booking for bedding, that is bed seat, is possible, my dear. Next one is the time saving. Okay, online reservation, yes, consumes very less time in contrast to long queues, yes, at the counter if you are going for offline. Now the next one is the discount scheme. The users can avail the special discount scheme provided by service providers like season ticket, advance, yes, booking discounts. Okay, now this is from your, yes, consumer sites. Now you have to know, yes, from the provider sites. Okay, so first one is requires less, yes, staffing. Students, less manpower is required as every task is done through computer. This is the main, yes, benefit for the provider. Okay, next one is no special, yes, restriction. See, the organization which is providing online reservation may be operating from the basement of their houses. It can be from garage. It can be an office space in a small building. Okay, the physical location of the office doesn't, yes, really matter to a customer who is reserving tickets online. Okay, so this is the main benefit. Now next one is global access. See, my dear, online reservation is available to anywhere irrespective of their, yes, a physical location. The scope of access to the online reservation become large as anyone who has access the internet can search for the reservation site and can, yes, book the tickets. Now the next part, that is precautions while performing online, yes, transaction. Okay, students, the precaution must be taken. Okay, when you are giving your username and password, yes, it should not be shared. The password should not be shared to anyone, because there are several security issues with the use of password. And unauthorized access to an account through stealing, guessing a password can get access to the, yes, system, and a simple password can easily be cracked. So students, whenever you are going to give the password, yes, at that time you try to use, yes, the three type of, yes, word. First one, you use alphabet. It may be small or capital, or maybe both you use, it will be better. Next one is your numbers. And the last one is your special character @ Okay, so you can use these all characters to make your password complex. Okay, I hope you have understood these all topics.